Hi everyone! Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today we are making Mai Gai, also known as sticky rice with chicken in lotus leaf wrap. It is a classic dim sum dish served during Yancha. Yancha means going to a tea house restaurant to have breakfast and tea. I got a lot of requests for this, so let's get started. First, take a look of the ingredients. The amount I gave is enough to make about 8 big Mai Gai. Soak 8 pieces of dry shiitake mushrooms and 1/3 cups of dry shrimps for 1 hour. Give the mushroom a nice squeeze to get rid of the excess water. Cut the mushroom into small pieces. Drain the shrimp and dry it with paper towel. Then carefully mince them. I like to put sausage into Mai Gai, so I will slice 2 pieces of Cantonese sausage into thin pieces. If you cannot find Cantonese sausage, you can switch it with other types of sausage. These are lotus leaf. It is very big. Usually each Mai Gai uses half of the leaf. You just count how many Mai Gai you are making. What you need to do is soak them for 40 minutes until it is softer and pliable. The leaves are quite big. You can fold it and use something heavy to press it down. Next, we will marinate some chicken. These are boneless chicken thighs. I already removed the skin and cut it into bite size. Add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, some white pepper. Mix it together, let it sit for 30 minutes. I used 2.5 cups of glutinous rice for this recipe. Wash it several times until the water is clear. Rub it nicely, try to wash the starch off. Drain it completely. Add 3 cups of water to it. See how the water is clear? That is what you are looking for. Set the rice cooker to rice setting and just wait for the button to pop. During this time, let's pre-cook the filling. Add a tiny touch of oil. Heat up the wok a little bit. We will put in the sausage first because as we saute it, the sausage will start producing oil. In about 3 minutes, the white part of the sausage becomes transparent. You can see the oil starts releasing from the sausage. Then you add in the minced shrimp. Stir them on medium heat until you can smell the shrimpy umami flavor. Also, you should see that the edge of the ingredient is bubbling. That means it is ready to take them out. We don't need any seasoning for this because sausage and shrimp already have a lot of flavors. Set it aside. We will use that later. Add more oil to the same wok. Put in 1 tablespoon of garlic. Give it a few stir. Then put in the chicken. Saute this for about 3 minutes on medium heat. The chicken should be roughly cooked. Put in the mushroom. Add 1 cup of water This is the water that we soak the mushroom and the shrimp with. It has a lot of flavors. Add 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, 1.5 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of 5 spice. Give it a mix. I also add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce to make the color nicer. Add some cornstarch water to thicken the sauce a little bit. It doesn't need to be super thick. Just a little bit should be fine. You need to give it a taste to see if you need more salt. It should be a little bit saltier than what you normally like. Because we will separate the sauce from the chicken and the mushroom, save the sauce for the rice. The rice is ready now. Put it in a big mixing bowl. Pour in the sauce and mix it until you don't see any white rice. We didn't add any seasoning to the rice. That is why you want the sauce to be a little bit saltier. Cooked glutinous rice can absorb a lot of liquid, so adding the sauce makes the Mai Gai super flavorful, gooey, and soft. Now you have everything ready, let's wrap the Mai Gai. Take half cups of rice, put it on the lotus leaf, flatten it and form it into a rectangle shape. Make it kind of like a bed. Then I will add some chicken, mushroom, sausage, and the shrimp on top of the rice. More chicken and mushroom. If anything fell off, you just put it back on. Add another layer of rice on top of it. Sometimes lotus leaves will have some small crack. As long as it is not too serious, it should be fine. Start folding it from one side of the leaf. Fold 2 sides to the middle. Roll over the rest of the leaves like that. If you see any extra leaves standing out, you just fold that in as well. Now you finish one Mai Gai. You just keep doing the rest. Once you are done with all of them, put them in a steamer. Steam it above boiling water on high heat for 30 minutes. The fillings are cooked, so the steaming process just to let the Mai Gai infused by the unique lotus root aroma. Let me show you how it looks like inside. It's like opening a present. How exciting. Look at that. The color is so nice. Let's give it a try. I swear, adding the sauce into the glutinous rice is a bomb. It's so flavorful and gooey and soft. We put so many ingredients in it. Everything together, plus the aroma from the lotus leaf, create an amazing combination. I hope you give this a try soon. If you did, leave me a comment and let me know how it went. As always, you can check the description for the written down recipe, and please give me a thumbs up. If you like Chinese food, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any episode. If you want to know more about me or support me, check out my Patreon link right there. And I'll see you next time. Bye!